if you are a fan of the cry it out method, by all means, do you. Mother knows best, whoever your mother is, okay? Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dr. Siri here, coming at you with another video. Today's video is all about how I got my 10-week-old baby to sleep through the night.
Is it time to play again? Are we having fun now?
No.
Yes, I got my 10-week-old to sleep through the night. Before I get into the strategies that I used in order to make this happen, I'm going to need you to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'm also going to need you to turn on the notifications bell so that way you never miss an upload from me. All right, let's get into these strategies. Tip number 1, read the book called On Becoming Baby Wise. That book was so helpful in helping us get our baby to sleep through the night. Read that book, take all the tips and tricks you can from it and implement them, and you're set. That's tip number 1. Read Baby Wise even before you become a parent. Read Baby Wise the minute you find out that you're pregnant. I got my copy of Baby Wise from a colleague of mine. I actually couldn't read the actual hard copy. I had to get the audiobook because I kept falling asleep while I was trying to read the hard copy of Baby Wise. So I ended up getting an Audible subscription and just listening to the audiobook. Now, I still would fall asleep on the audiobook, but I eventually got to the end of the book and was able to use all of the tips and tricks in the book. Tip number 2, you want to get your baby on a feeding schedule. Babies will typically eat every 2 to 3 hours. My baby used to eat every 2.5 hours. So what I had to do was ensure that her first feeding and her last feedings were at the exact same time every single day.
Every single day.
Every single day.
And this helped to build consistency. This helped to provide structure to her feeding schedule for both of us. And what eventually happens is as babies get older, they start to drop feeds. And Baby Wise will get into how this works, but get your baby onto a feeding schedule. So that means you need to wake you and baby up at the same time every single day, every single day.
Every single day.
Every single day.
To have that first feeding. And then the rest of the feedings will follow suit at the interval that your baby eats. So if it's every 2 hours and you start at 5 a.m., the next feed will be at 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. and so on and so forth. So get your baby on a feeding schedule. Tip number 3, make sure that your baby is getting the amount of ounces of milk that they need in a 24-hour period. Now, if you want your baby to be asleep at night, they need to get those ounces in during the day while everyone else is awake and eating, as opposed to getting those ounces in at night or spread out across the 24-hour period. Now, Baby Wise is going to teach you this as well. Once a child is about 4 weeks old and up, they can go a good 4 to 6 hours at night without needing to eat. Or if your baby is 13 pounds or more, they can go through the night without eating. So Baby Wise will get into all the details of that. You can even consult your pediatricians about that. But tip number 3 is making sure that you are getting your baby the right amount of ounces of milk, formula, whatever, during the daytime. Now, one of the strategies that we implemented earlier on was the dream feed. So the dream feed would take place between 10 p.m. and 12 a.m. So our dream feed was 11 p.m. Our child would have her bottle at 9 p.m. and get put to bed. And I would wake her up, sort of wake her up, gently wake her up, but not all the way up for this dream feed at 11 p.m. and then she would go ahead and sleep until 5 a.m. And eventually the babies will drop the need for that dream feed. So that's tip number 3. Tip number 4, break bad habits. Okay, so babies are in the habit of waking up in the middle of the night. They're just used to it. They're used to waking up in the middle of the night, and they're used to eating in the middle of the night. If you know your baby is getting the right amount of calories, if you know your baby is gaining weight appropriately and all that good stuff, there's no reason for them to have to eat in the middle of the night. So what we would do, we
were not fans of the cry it out method.
Now, if you are a fan of the cry it out method, by all means, do you. Mother knows best, whoever your mother is, okay? We were not fans of the cry it out method. So what we would do is if she woke up in the middle of the night, and again, this is earlier on when we were implementing these BabyWise strategies. When she would wake up in the middle of the night, we would just rock her. We would go to her and comfort her. Because typically in the middle of the night, if babies are getting enough calories, they really just want to be comforted, and milk is comforting, right? So instead of giving them food in the middle of the night, which is a habit, we would just rock her back to sleep, comfort her and rock her back to sleep. And eventually she wouldn't even require any of that. So that's tip number 4, break that habit. Tip number 5, you want to be sure that your baby is not napping within 4 hours of their bedtime. So for instance, our baby's bedtime is 9 p.m. 4 hours before that is 5 p.m. We would not let our baby nap after 5 p.m. So that means if she did go down for a nap at, let's say, 3:30 or 4 o'clock, she could only get an hour to an hour and a half nap in before we will be waking her up. I know a lot of people aren't fans of waking babies up. I didn't mind doing it. I didn't think it was traumatic at all for my child. It worked for us. Now, again, if you're not a fan of that, by all means, do you. And that's what I want everyone watching this video to do. If these tips don't sit well with you, if you don't think they're gonna work for you or your baby or your situation, that is okay. But if you think they will help you, by all means, try it out and see. That's all I have for you all today. I wish you all the very best. I hope that you all eventually do get a good night's sleep, because every parent deserves a good night's sleep. Every baby deserves a good night's sleep. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.